sir. Kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo nyo lang.
Gusto niya ko sa atin para lang reklamo.
Sino? Walang nagtata sa akin, ako na under dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Diretso rin niya ko sa aeroplano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Casey,
Sir, di ba siya pwede lang ako?
you know that it's not your duty. Okay?